In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create time cycles on Tradingview, quick and easy. First, make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account and have any chart open. It can be a stock, forex pair, crypto, or index. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, we're going to move to the upper left side of the chart window. This is where all of your main drawing tools and patterns live. Hover your mouse over the toolbar on the left and look for the section labelled Patterns. Go ahead and click on that. Tradingview will show you a list of different pattern tools you can use. From this list, select Time Cycles. When you click on Time Cycles, your cursor will turn into a drawing tool so you can start placing your cycle on the chart. Now, click once on the chart to create your first point. This first point usually marks the beginning of the time period you want to measure, like a recent low or high. Then move your cursor to the right and click again to create your second point. The distance between these 2 points defines the length of your cycle, and Tradingview will automatically repeat that spacing forward in time. What this pattern does is help you visualize repeating time intervals on your chart. It doesn't predict price direction on its own, but it can highlight areas where the market might be due for increased activity, potential reversals, or consolidations based on past timing. Think of it as a rhythm marker for the market's behavior. Once the time cycle is on your chart, you can move or adjust it easily. Click and drag to shift the entire cycle left or right, or drag the endpoints to make the cycle shorter or longer. This helps you line it up with key highs and lows and test different timing distances. You can also fully customize the look of your time cycles. Click on the drawing, then open the Templates or Style menu. Here, you can change the color, adjust the background of the lines, modify the line width, and choose the line style so it matches the rest of your chart layout. If you want to go deeper, click on Settings to access more detailed options. You can lock the tool so you don't accidentally move it, or remove it completely if you don't need it anymore. There's also a 3 dots or more menu that gives you quick access to additional actions and preferences. Time cycles on Tradingview are powerful for visually organizing your analysis around time, not just price. With a bit of practice, they can become a regular part of your charting workflow.